In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Lemlist API to list campaigns. First, open a tool like Postman or use your preferred coding environment. This time, instead of a post request, you'll create a GET request since you're retrieving data. Next, from your dashboard, open your campaign and locate its campaign ID by clicking the three-dot icon at the top, and click on Share and get your campaign link pasted and remove the S in HTTP. Next, head over to your Lemlist account and grab your API key. You'll find this in your settings under the API or Integration section. Now go to the Headers tab and add your authentication. Set the authorization header to bearer followed by your API key, and also make sure content type is set to application/JSON. And once done, click Send. If the request is successful, you'll receive a response containing a list of all your campaigns, including details like campaign name, status, and IDs. These IDs are especially useful if you want to trigger campaigns or add leads later using the API. And that's how you can quickly list all your campaigns using the Lemlist API. Perfect for managing and automating your outreach workflows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use our affiliate link in the description.